What if humans suddenly lost the ability to yawn contagiously? This simple reflex does far more than you think. When you yawn, your brain increases blood flow and drops its temperature by several degrees. It's like turning on an internal air conditioning system. Without contagious yawning, people would start experiencing constant headaches and brain fog. Their minds would literally overheat throughout the day. But the real problem goes deeper. Contagious yawning keeps groups alert together, like a biological alarm clock. Without it, workplace productivity would collapse as teams fall out of sync. Even worse, we'd lose a key empathy signal between humans. That shared yawn creates an invisible bond of understanding. Remove it, and social connections begin to weaken. The truth is, yawning is our primitive cooling system that prevents dangerous brain overheating during stress. One missing reflex would leave humanity mentally exhausted and emotionally disconnected.